Hey guys, it's Mitch from the KAM fam, and today we're talking about packing. How many times have you had an issue and it looked like this or this? Well, today we're going to solve those problems because the KAM fam has put together a packing list. It's electronic. We're going to share it with you. Stick around for the end of this video so you can have a copy so you are never confused in the future when you go to pack for a cruise. Alright, so here is a look at the packing list in its full form inside the sheet, and we're going to go through this so you can see what it is. So the first thing is we have a space to fill in some information. So how long is your cruise, how many ports, and it is going to change some items on this thing. So I'm going to go based on our next upcoming cruise, which is 7 days. So I'm going to put it in a 7. And if you notice, it automatically filled in different parts of this document. I'm also going to put in how many port days. So we are going to have 3 port stops. So I'm putting 3, and that's going to update some other things as well. So looking through here, and I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. So first thing up, we have the wife and hubby clothes. So cruise day shirt is a must for the KAM fam. We're going to be rocking out a matching shirt when we go on a cruise, and the number of swimsuits to bring. So guys, this is all checked off so you can have access to it. You can check it off while you're packing. So there's no question, did we bring it or did we not? Now, the KAM fam, we have a little bit of a formula. So depending on your cruise length, it is going to change how much stuff you bring. So I have 7 in there. I'm going to go ahead and if I change this down to 2 ports, 1 port, if I change this down to 4, change it to 10, it's going to change things around. But I said we had 7 days and 3 ports. Now, some of you might not want to bring 3 swimsuits. We bring 3 swimsuits because we don't want wet stuff. So it's got your t-shirts, your shorts, your pants and sweatshirts, your undergarments. You definitely want to have enough of those because you don't want to run into running out. So some socks, tennis shoes, dress shoes, flip-flops, port day matching shirts. So in the KAM fam, we like to wear matching shirts on port days because it's easy to find. The other thing, if you notice down here, it says 11111, MDR outfit theme. So for us, we are matching every single night. So let's say night 1 is our cruise day shirt, but night 2 is going to be, let's say, red night. Well, when I put in that, it fills out everybody needs a red night outfit. Or we have a Hawaiian themed night. It's going to fill that in for us. Okay, we might also have a floral pink night. So it's going to fill those in as you go so you don't have to worry about it, guys. You can check these off. So let me scroll down and I'm going to show you as well. So kids 1, kids 2, kids 3 clothes as well. If you don't have kids, you don't got to worry about this. You got 2 kids, only worry about 2 of them. If you got all 3 like the KAM fam, you're going to need every single one. All right, and I'm going to go back and adjust this because it was bothering me that Hawaiian night is spelled wrong. So let me fix that. The Hawaiian theme. All right, there we go. We got that fixed. Now we can go back to other parts of this document. So let me zoom back out to give you the full screen. Now, if you notice in here, it's got our logo. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so already, because all we're asking in return for giving this to you, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. But let's scroll on over to some of the KAM fam necessities. So I'm going to zoom in here. So we've broken this down by different things. So our documents, you want your passport cards, your boarding passes, luggage tags, parking information, cash, driver's license, if you carry a regular passport, whatever you have. Then, of course, your toiletry sections. What is stuff that you are going to need with you on the cruise for that bathroom stuff? So some accessories. We typically bring hats, sunglasses, our cameras. What kind of jewelry? Are you bringing a light jacket, a hat, electric air pump, which is something we have added into our stuff. Then we also carry a backpack cooler that we put all of our drinks in. So we have our soda that we're bringing on board, because remember, you can bring one 12-pack of soda per person, along with our drink cups. We also carry on a wine bag that has a corkscrew, because you don't want to be caught without one of those. Some wine stoppers and 2 bottles of wine, because every adult over the age of 21 can bring on 1 bottle of wine. Next up, guys, is our medicine bag, and you do not want to forget this stuff because it is going to be costly on the ship. Make sure you bring some sort of seasick medicine, just your ibuprofen, your Tylenol for your kids, and some sort of stomach stuff. Bring a Band-Aid. Itchy eyes, we typically bring that because you're going to run into, out in that salt air, your eyes might get a little bit dry. And then, of course, we have our random carry-on things, which if you have not seen our other video on hacks for your cruise cabin, check that out. I'm going to drop that right up here. But a lot of these things are featured to show you exactly how to use them. So the shoe hanger, magnets, this carries all of our stuff. You guys can change it out if you need to. But remember, you are checking this stuff off as you're packing so you don't have an issue and not know what's packed versus what's not packed. So guys, this is how the KAM fam packs. We want you to be able to pack like us. So we're going to give you a copy of this document. And like I said, all we ask in return is to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, we would greatly appreciate that as well. And hey, share this with as many people as you know, but let them know you got it from the KAM fam. All right, guys, so that was an overview of the KAM fam cruise packing checklist. We're going to go more in depth in our upcoming live, which I'm going to put right here. Now, if it's already passed, be part of Team Replay. Go check it out. We're going to go in depth over every single one of these items and why we bring them on a cruise. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you for sticking around with us. And here's what you've been waiting for. Go ahead and scan this QR code right here. It's going to take you to the KAM fam channel. And then in the description down below, click on the link and you're going to have your very own copy of the KAM fam cruise packing list. So thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this. All we ask is please hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed, we'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. And we will maybe see you on a cruise. Otherwise, we'll see you in the YouTube world. Bye, guys.